Welcome. Today, we're showing you how to use Netflix on Rogers Streaming. Let's go. With Rogers Streaming, you can find all the Netflix shows and movies you want to stream in one place. There are a few ways you can watch Netflix using Rogers Streaming. You can use voice search to search for all of your Rogers Streaming content. Just press and hold the mic button on your voice remote. Now, say the name of the title you're looking for. So, for example, say Stranger Things, and the title you searched for will open. Or, if you only want to search for Netflix content, just scroll down to the app's quick links and select Netflix. To access the content, sign into your Netflix account. Don't have a Netflix subscription? You can sign up for one quickly and easily through Rogers Streaming. First, open the Netflix app. Select Join Now. Then follow the prompts to create your Netflix account. When you sign up for Netflix directly through Rogers Streaming, your subscription fee will be added to your bill along with the rest of your Rogers services. That's it. Enjoy streaming Netflix with Rogers Streaming.